So here's the speaker wire in the back of the van, and we want to see where it goes up in the front of the van. So we've put a tone generator on it, and the tone generator makes a sound wherever you put this. So I can go to the wire, and wherever the wire is, I get that sound. Like that wire runs right through here. You can see it right here. And so it's giving me a tone. So now I'm going to go up to the front. So we'll go follow it down to here. The wire here I broke through, and you can hear that it's there.
Yep.
Okay. So that's running here, somewhere down here. And so this is under the seat. And getting a tone there. So now I'm following this up, and there's no tone here, so I was like, where did the wire go? And so I pulled the carpet up, and I realized it took a turn into this thing. And so you can still hear it, and you can see it if you come around this way. You can see it way back there. And then it breaks off. Some of these wires go that way, and it breaks off, but it ends up going under another piece of plastic up to the radio there.